Hello, I just had a student point out that I had a small transcription error in this problem, and I wanted to fix it. And so at the end of the problem, you would have seen that I said, okay, hey, we've got TA, we add that to TB, it's 800 Newton meters. It is that equation from the very first part of our force balance. Unfortunately, I forgot, as I was writing down my notes, there is a negative 500 Newton meters. So we have another torque in there. So what this should be is this should be 300 Newton meters, not 800 Newton meters. And so what happens then is we can take this and go, okay, well, TA is going to be now, it's the 300 Newton meters, not 800 Newton meters, minus 645 Newton meters, which is obviously going to be a slightly different calculation. And so let me pop out my calculator here. So that's 300 minus 645. And so that should be a negative 345 Newton meters. Oh, so what does this negative sign mean? Well, this means that we are twisting in the direction opposite the positive sense of the force. And so typically through this problem, we're doing everything as a counterclockwise as positive. So the amount of torque that is being exerted on point A is going to be 345 newtons in the clockwise direction. So we can either write it just as negative 345, or we can say 345 Newton meters clockwise. And there we go. Sorry about that error.